नमस्ते बच्चों, हमेशा खुश रहो। माई सेल्फ JVN डॉक्टर मोनिका त्रिवेदी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी, फैकल्टी ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड मैथडोलॉजी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर. So students, in previous classes we have discussed about the colligative properties of a solution. In today's class we will discuss about the solubility of partially miscible liquids. Okay, so a large number of liquid are known which dissolve in one another only to a limited extent. For example, ether and water. One is a polar and one is a non-polar. Okay, so they will not completely dissolve or they will not dissolve in each other. So for ether, if the ether dissolve about 1.2% in a water, and water also dissolve about 6.5% in a ether. Since their mutual solubility are limited, they are only partially miscible. Okay, when equal volume of ether and water are shaken together, two layer formed. One of a saturated solution of ether in a water, and another will be saturated solution of water in ether. So these two solutions are referred as a conjugated solution, and the effect of temperature on the mutual solubility of these mixture of a conjugated solution is a special characteristic. So there are some example which we have to discuss. One is a phenol water system, second is a trimethyl water system, and third is a nicotine water system. So in this diagram, in three diagram, you can see there is a three system. First is a phenol water, second is a trimethyl water, trimethylamine and water system, and third one is a nicotine water system. Okay, in a first diagram, you can see that in a from 0 to 65 degree from 0 to 60 degree temperature, the solution A and solution B are separated, like one is a phenol and one is a water. Okay, they are separated, but at temperature 65 they become a one layer solution and they are dissolved with each other. By decreasing the temperature, the solution are further separated. Okay, so these two lines are one of is a solution in a ether in a solution of phenol in a water, and one is a solution of water in a phenol. Okay, in a second diagram you can see the trimethyl amines water system. In this diagram you can see below the 50 to 80 18.5 degree centigrade temperature, the two of these solution solvent are present in a one layer at below 18.5 degrees centigrade, and above this it will they both are appear in a two separate layer. One is the solution of trimethylamine in a water, and second is the solution of water in a trimethylamine. Okay, in third diagram you can see in nicotine water system there is a one layer appear at the higher temperature and a lower temperature. Between these two temperature they are separated with each other. One is a nicotine solution in a water, and second is a water solution in a nicotine. Okay, so this is all about the immiscible liquids. Okay, next topic is a steam distillation. Okay, so as you know that the vapor pressure of the liquid rises with the increase of the temperature. When a vapor pressure increases at the atmospheric pressure, the temperature recorded is the boiling point of a given liquid. In case of mixture of two miscible liquids, each component extends its own vapor pressure, and the total vapor pressure over the mixture P is equals to the sum of the individual vapor pressures, like P1 and P2 at that temperature. So P is equals to P1 plus P2. P is a vapor pressure over the mixture, total vapor pressure. Okay, So hence the mixture will be boiled at the temperature when they combine the vapor pressure P equals to the atmospheric pressure. Since the P is greater than P1 or P2, the boiling point of the mixture of a two liquids will be lower than either of the pure component. So by the steam distillation, this is the assembly of a steam distillation, you will be you can separate out the organic liquid and water by this steam distillation process. Okay, this is the round bottom flask filled with the organic organic liquid, and this is the condenser, the inlet and outlet of water, and this is the adapter, and here you can see the flask contained with distilled of water and pure organic liquid. Thank you very much.